In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact section in GoDaddy website. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This just makes it quick to get to the right place. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and hit enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your usual credentials. If you have extra verification turned on, complete that as well so you can access your dashboard. After you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your account name or profile icon. Click it to open the account menu. From this menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything associated with your account, including your websites. Find the website you want to work on, and click it to open the website editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one so the changes apply to the right project. The editor will load your current pages and sections so you can make updates. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon that lets you add a new section. It usually appears between sections or in the sidebar, depending on your layout. Click the plus sign to open the section library. You'll see categories for different content types. Choose the contact category. This filters the options to everything designed for getting in touch, like inquiry forms, contact details, and map layouts. Next, select Contact Us. This keeps things straightforward with a ready-made contact section that includes the essentials. You'll now see a variety of templates. Take a moment to preview them and pick the one that best matches your site's style and the information you want to present. Some layouts emphasize a clean form. Others include a map, business address, or operating hours alongside the form. Think about how much space you want this section to take and what fields your visitors actually need. Short, clear forms tend to get more responses. Click the template you like to add it to the page. It will drop right into your layout, where you can position it as needed. From here, you can tailor the text and visuals to match your brand voice and design. If your chosen template includes optional elements like a map or hours, decide whether to keep or hide them based on what's most helpful for visitors. When selecting a layout, also consider accessibility and mobile readability so the form is easy to use on any device. And that's it. Your contact section is added and ready for you to customize further within the editor.